Hi everyone, I hope you all are enjoying every moment of life with your family in this blissful month of Ramadan. Today I am going to make famous chicken dabu which is liked by everyone. Hope you like my video, but before getting started, if you haven't subscribed my channel then please do so and watch my video till last. So let's get started. 250 grams of chicken boneless. I have cut it into strips. Three-fourth cup of corn flour. You can also use starch. 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. You can also use crushed garlic or garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. It's completely optional. A pinch of yellow food color. Take a big bowl and add your chicken in it. Make sure your chicken is completely dry, otherwise it will make the mixture too runny. So you have to strain off all the water before adding chicken into a bowl. Now add salt, pepper, red chili powder, chaat masala, vinegar, soya sauce, chili sauce, sesame seeds, garlic paste or minced garlic, egg in it and mix it well. Make sure you are wearing your gloves, your plastic gloves, that will keep your hands clean because we are going to add now pinch of food color. So if you are not going to wear your gloves, then your hands will be completely yellow like mustard flour. So make sure to wear your gloves. After mixing it 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to add corn flour. After adding corn flour, if you see your mixture is a bit dry like mine, you can also add water in it, but not all at once. Like mine, I have added water by tablespoon, 3 tablespoons in it as total. As you can see, my mixture is neither too runny nor too thick. It's a semi-liquid. Your mixture should be like this. Otherwise, the coating will be removed from the chicken while frying. So make sure your mixture is like this. Now we are going to place this mixture in our refrigerator for half an hour to 1 hour for its marination. As you know that chicken is in thin strips, so it will not take too much time for marination. You can marinate it either for half an hour up to 1 hour. It will be fine. Now it's time for its frying. You are not supposed to put chicken all at once. Just have patience and add chicken one by one. Your temperature of the oil should not be too high or neither too low. The flame should be medium to low. As you can see, the chicken is well coated and its coating is not being removed while frying. This is all because we have strained off all the water from the chicken, plus the texture of the mixture is very important. If it's too runny, then the texture will not be retain its shape and its coating will be removed while frying. So make sure to remember all these tips while making chicken dabo. Our first batch is ready. Now we are going to fry the second batch. Our chicken dabo is ready. Now we are going to garnish it with the help of mint leaf and a lemon. You can also squeeze lemon on it, but I prefer to place it on the side of my dish. I hope you like this quick and easy recipe. If so, then tell me in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.